Hey everyone, meet Brandon here. If you have a Samsung TV, specifically this remote, and you get the voice of death on your TV, hopefully you can hear it. It is annoying. I don't know how my 2-year-old turned it on, but this is how you fix it. Hit the home button right there. Takes you home. She's going to talk to you all the way. Use your button to scroll to the left, left, settings. Hit the enter button right there in the middle. It goes to settings, go down, down, general. Hit plus, you're just using your arrow button.
General, 9 items.
Accessibility, you think it's voice? Go to accessibility. Turn it off right there. Hit the enter button. Ready? Here we go.
Configure the voice guide settings. 5 items. 1. Voice guide.
Gone. You gotta do it a couple times. Voice guide off. There you go. So give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe for that video. Thanks so much.